Hello kids! Today we're going to learn something super fun. It's called addition. Let's add numbers together and see how they grow. 1 apple plus 2 more apples. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3. That makes 3 apples. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 ball and 4 more balls. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 balls. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 oranges and 2 more oranges. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 4 oranges. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 buttons and 4 more buttons. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes 6 buttons. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 lemons and 5 more lemons. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes 7 lemons. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 lollipops and 1 more lollipop. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3. That makes 3 lollipops. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 4 peaches and 2 more peaches. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes 6 peaches. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 9 bananas and 0 more bananas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still 9 bananas. 9 plus U equals 9. 3 pears and 6 more pears. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That makes 9 pears. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 5 pencils and 5 more pencils. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes 10 pencils. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 stars and 1 more star. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes 7 stars. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 3 brinjal and 3 more brinjal. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6. That makes 6 brinjal. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 strawberries and 2 more strawberries. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That makes 8 strawberries. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 4 mangoes and 3 more mangoes. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes 7 mangoes. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 3 boxes and 1 more box. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 4 boxes. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to add numbers and count with fun things like fruits, toys and more. Keep practicing and soon you'll be an addition superstar. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye. Looking for fun, printable colouring books and worksheets? Visit Mojumi on Etsy. Link in the description.